So this is how you can create or add a task in ClickUp. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for ClickUp. Today you will learn how to add a task and basically learn what it's about and what you can do with it. So go ahead and open up your ClickUp website. As you can see, I'm in my space right now. I'm just gonna go into a project one. So this is my project one. By the way, you can create projects by tapping on this, create a list, tap on list, and then name it whatever you want. So this is my project. Well, what I can do is tap on add task or tap on this arrow if you want to. You can choose add a milestone, add a task or whatever, but I'm just gonna tap on add a task, and now it's going to ask me to name it and add a description. So I'm just gonna put task one to make it simple, and I could even add a description like something like this is task one. There we go. So I can go ahead and create the task, and then we're going to see it shortly in our project number one. And there we go. As you can see, this is our task one. So let's say, for example, I'm done with task one. I've completed task one and I'm ready to move on to another task. I can just go ahead and tick this off and then tap on complete. And there we go. It archives it for us. I'm just going to undo it real quick so we can go ahead and experiment it on more. So we can even put it on in progress. So it's just going to stay here, but it's going to look like it's in progress or indicate that we are currently doing it right now and it will be done in no time. So you can even change the name of it or change whatever. You can have a comment. For example, I'm almost finished with task one, and yeah, pretty much you can comment anything on here so your members can know what you're doing with the task if you're almost done. And yeah, that is pretty much what you can do with tasks. It's very helpful and it's basically a very organizing way to do your business. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.